Oh, you should come down.
Yeah.
It's dangerous, mister.
It's ice cold water. Oh my god. Wow, look at that boy. So energetic. Ooh. He's gone. My boy is gone. There go Matt Venture.
Oh, none made it.
Wait, man, this is the one way. Who's gonna go other way? See my boy right halfway to the top. Yeah. Come on. It's good that it melted, so it'll be fine. What you guys doing?
Kicking rock.
Kicking rocks? You having fun kicking rocks?
Yep.
Look like beautiful rock over here. How you guys feel about walking on this rock? Rock is rock. That's not true. It's a stone house. I don't know how this house gets destroyed. It's made out of stone. Oh look, it's a fireplace over here. How did that house get destroyed? See, it's a fireplace. Oh, another stone house got burned down. It's a beautiful trail between two giant trees.
Dad, I think it's my turn to walk in the water now.
Yeah.
Okay,
What do you think?
don't complain about getting your sneaker and your sock wet.
I will.
It can be very
No, but
uncomfortable.
I will.
They chopped the tree for the firewood. That's a nice combination. Oh, look at that big tree. This is Nanvi board. He got a chance to play with snow. And he used it wisely, throwing on his dad. How you feel about playing with the snow, Nan? Snowy snow. Burned down tree.
I think every time you wear a jacket.
Oh, look at this beautiful color. Golden leaf with the sunlight reflecting it. Nice and quiet here. You hear only nature. The only person of the nature.
There's dirt on your back.
Yeah. And the waterfall. It's beautiful. This is beautiful. Look at this. Yep. And look at these two wonderful boys. They love enjoying nature, man.
Look how clear this water is, and that means that shows how clean it is.
It is. It's drinkable water.
I drink some of that.
Right, now he's going somewhere. Let's go, let's follow him, see where he is going. Where this boy going? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Be careful, mister. Oh, smart boy, he's refilling the water. How's the water? Nice and cold? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's taste it.
Let me know how's that water taste. The one that you got from the spring. Pure spring water.
It tastes better than purified water.
It's better than
It just came out of the ice.
icy cold? Don't need refrigerator? Okay. No. Okay, he got his water. Guys, congratulations, you made it to the Ice House Canyon Trail. Cucamonga Wilderness. How you feel about this mission? You complete the mission. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh. Easy there, my boy, easy. It's supposed to be quiet, man. Because you're supposed to come out here, enjoy the wilderness, to be away from the internet. This is where you disconnect yourself from the internet. This is where you find yourself. This is where you find yourself. He's too light right now.
I weigh 178 pounds.
Just turn around, man. Turn around. We're going home. We're coming down home. Okay. Oh boy, oh my boy, too tired to walk. Gotta carry him back home. One at a time. I got uncle home. Now I come back for none. Let's go. Leave no man behind.
No man behind.
All look young. I got to get home.